Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I know it's been a while since I made a video in this long format, but it's been a year. And last year also, when I was starting my job, basically my flying job in Canada, I'd got a box like this. So what happened this year is that I got to select what I basically wanted. It's been a few months since I selected what I wanted, and I don't exactly remember what is there in the box, but it is basically some goods that pilots can use during the summers and winters. It's a mix of t-shirts and gear that pilots can basically use uh, for summers and winters. And I just wanted to share my happiness with you in getting this box and unboxing it. So let's go. uh, so I just removed the tape so that I don't waste both of our time. Uh, but I still don't know what's there in it. So to start with, there's a name tag, right? There's a name tag in this, and it says air ambulance and my name and stuff, right? Then there are winter gloves. So you can see these winter gloves, which is quite nice. I had it last year, but I lost it. So these are winter gloves. Sorry. Uh, there's another pair of gloves. So I cannot really hold things and all really well with these gloves. So there are these smaller gloves which kind of gives better accessibility. So I have another pair of gloves as well. There's a toque which I can wear on my head. So this actually gives me a lot of heat and comfort when it's very cold. Then this is a t-shirt. There's one t-shirt, another t-shirt which is like a turtleneck t-shirt. There's a polo t-shirt which I really like. There's a bag. There's another toque. There's a hoodie. So it's like this. There's a hoodie which is kind of cool. There's another polo neck t-shirt like this. What is this? This is like, yeah, so this is a small jacket. It's like a fleece jacket which I can wear during winters. Now this is an insulated pant. It is basically worn when, let's say, people go skiing and in the snow and stuff like that. So there's that. And this is basically thermals that I can wear under my clothes, which keeps me warm again. So that's it, guys. These were like 14 items which I got, and I can still get a few more things which I haven't ordered, but this is what I got this year. So that's it, guys. Happy landings. Cheers. I hope you have a nice day.